Hey guys, so a few weeks ago we were at Blade Show 2025, and I wanted to take this video and talk about one of the fan favorites of that show, and that is this folder right here called the Sao Feng. For those of you that are wondering, yes, it is named after this guy.
Sao Feng, I assure you, our intentions are strictly honorable.
All right, guys, let's take a look at the Sao Feng. This is a G10 handle. It's G10 on both sides. You have stainless steel components that make up the knife. The flipper here is your primary way of opening that. This is one of our larger blades, coming in at 8.5 inches. Your blade itself is 3.75 inches and your handle is 4.75. Once again, the handle's made out of G10 and your steel is 420 stainless steel. The overall weight is 4.4 ounces and it is a liner lock directly to the center here. All this does is it drives directly across and rotates in. I would consider this a utility blade, but I could definitely see how this could cross into self-defense with an appropriate amount of skill. You have the ability to open it into a forward grip. You also have the ability to rotate this down into an ice pick grip with certain ways of opening it with that flipper. This is a beautiful blade with a tanto tip at the top. The rounded belly of the blade is one of the things that a lot of people were talking about why they enjoy this blade. Once again, it was a big seller at the Blade Show. I believe we ran out of these at our booth. It is priced at $85 currently on SkallywagTactical.com. Remember, if you use the code ELITEU, you'll receive 10% off. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you in the next one.